we are continuing with the first chapter, that is human and environment. We are completed the population growth. Second one is the rural and urban settlement, and the third chapter of this third point of this chapter is indigenous कम्युनिटीज एंड ट्रेडिशन. इंडिजिनस मतलब का मतलब होता है द पारंपरिक नॉलेज जो हमको होता है, दैट इज इंडिजिनस. इंडिजिनस नॉलेज इज द ट्रेडिशनल एंड लोकल नॉलेज हेल्ड बाय द people of a given community. It is totally environmental based knowledge. It is connected with the environment. Those people are having knowledge of environment, means knowledge of surrounding. This indigenous knowledge is integrated with the syllabus or integrated with the education. So the student should aware related to the indigenous knowledge, and they should know the local communities. They should know how to protect the local biodiversity and conservation of nature. The local people or indigenous people have regular practice of crop rotation so that the crop of particular area or variety of crop biodiversity can be protected. The indigenous seed protection method or seed preservation method is very useful, and it is very convenient for the genetic resource conservation of cropland. Some wild plants are known by the indigenous communities or tribal communities that serves as a food material, and such type of plants are useful when drought is there or some harsh environmental conditions are there, and when there is no possibility for the regular crop rotation, and that's why those knowledge is very important. Those indigenous people studied the weather pattern. They understood the weather pattern very well, and that's why they can predict the cyclone and storms. Sustainable natural conservation can be held by the people by their belief and behavior of a community. Belief means उनका कितना उस पे विश्वास है. For example, नागपंचमी we are celebrating. नागपंचमी is nothing but the conservation of snake as a god. Okay. After that, tribals not only in India but throughout the world, they are very famous for their unique culture and heritage. They are totally related with the environment. They are deep studied the flora and fauna of environment, and that's why they are connected with the knowledge of biodiversity. Some tribals are having beliefs on several species of plants and animals, and those species are having economic importance as well as medicinal importance. Tribals are the builders of environment, or tribals are known as the protector of environment because they have very deep knowledge related with the environmental conservation. The best example of tribals we know, that is Waradis. वारली मराठी में उसको साउंड करते हैं हम. Waradis are known for their several heritage and culture. Waradis we very well known by their paintings and their ornaments and their other cultural events. But Waradis are the community which live in Maharashtra, away from the Mumbai city, 100 kilometer near about away from the Mumbai city. And these Waradis are specially known for their knowledge totally based on the environment, knowledge based on the forest. Those Waradi communities known God is nothing but the nature, means according to them God is nothing but the Hirva. They called it God Hirva means green. वो उनके अकॉर्डिंगली क्या होता है कि भगवान कौन है, जो हरा है वो भगवान है, मतलब गॉड इज ग्रीन. ओके, सो गॉड इज ग्रीन का मतलब है कि व्हाट वी गेट फ्रॉम द नेचर, दैट इज गॉड्स गिफ्ट, that is given by the God. That is not our effort to collect those things. So those Waradis are having very economical or very environmental practice related to their day-to-day life. They collected the things from forest, basic needs should be fulfilled from those requirements. They are not cut down the trees, they are not cut down the live branches of the trees. They collected the dry twigs of tree, they collected the leaves from the forest for their fire requirement, and they have developed the multi cultivation facilities. Means they are cultivated so many crop at a time. That is a very distinct culture of there, and this culture is very much beneficial for them, because at the time of drought they can cultivate the many more crops. This is very special knowledge related to the Wararis. And those Wararis now are in trouble because of the change forest policies, because of the urbanization, because of the land requirement. If those Wararis will lost, the knowledge related with the forest, or huge knowledge related with the forest, will be lost with them also. This is about the Warari community. That is an example of tribal community in India or tribal community in Maharashtra. Now the indigenous community practice. Indigenous community practice means how the community can use those indigenous knowledge for the environmental protection. Vishnois are the another type of tribals. Those Vishnois worship for some trees, जैसे बबूल ट्री आपको पता होगा. They worship for the bubble trees. Those trees provide them shelter, those trees provide them firewood, and they worship those trees. They worship Wagoba. Wagoba मतलब tiger. So they are very protective about the tiger. And some seed bank they are generated. They are collected the seeds of different species, different routine species, or different species from the forest they were collected, and those are cultivated. So many tribals are found in India, and they are having the very indigenous community practice. Now next one is the scared groves. Scared groves means the area, particular area of forest that is conserved for the god. एक बिलीफ होता है उसके पीछे कि ये जंगल जो है वो गॉड को हमने डोनेट कर दिया है और ये गॉड का जंगल है, सो नो वन कैन इंटरफेयर इन दैट फॉरेस्ट. दैट इज स्केर्ड ग्रोव्स. बेसिकली मराठी में इसको देवराई बोलते हैं. देवराई देवांना दिलेलं रान किंवा द फॉरेस्ट विच इज डिवोटेड फॉर द गॉड. तो स्केर्ड ग्रोव्स आर very much available in the India. It is speciality of Indian forest. Devrais are there. Those scared groves have some of them have pond inside the forest, and that is water source for the local community, and it will increase the groundwater level. This scared groves also useful for the biodiversity conservation, because so many plants and animals or flora and fauna flourish in that scared groves, and the animal entry or the human being interference is totally prohibited in that area. Now these scared groves are available in India, but nowadays they are reduced in number, or the size is reduced, is because there are so many threats to the scared groves. Some threats we are discussing here. First threat to scared grove is that human interference. As usual, every natural resources will be destroyed by the human interference. Human visited to those devrais or scared groves as a visitor, and interference of human being, that scared groves destroyed. Second one is urbanization. For the urbanization, land requirement is very high, and that's why those patches of forest will be destroyed. Industrialization, one of the reasons behind that. So many reasons are there, and that's why those scared groves are under the threat now. Then what we can do to conserve them? First of all, we should reduce the interference of human being in that area, and those areas should be banned for the urbanization and industrialization. After that, we are discussing the basic example related to the seed conservation. First one is the बीज बचाओ मुहिम, जिसको बोलते हैं seed conservation movement. बीज बचाओ मुहिम started at the Himalayan foothill, and people from that particular area collected the traditional crop seeds, and those seeds are cultivated day by day, and the local women help for this movement. They are cultivated near about 100 types of paddy and different types of oil seeds, and they are cultivated so many grains, and the basic और नेचर से रिलेटेड जो हमारी बेसिक सीड बैंक होती है वो उन्होंने कंजर्वेट करने में वहाँ पे बहुत बड़ा एक अपना सहयोग दिया है. सेकेंड वन इज द राहीबाई पोपरे. अकॉर्डिंग टू मी, you must heard her name because she honored by the Padma Shri award this year. Rahibai Phofre is belonging to the Ahmednagar district की है वो, and she is collected several seeds or traditional seeds. So she is not so educated, she is not having any knowledge related to that, but she is connected with the nature and she know how to conserve it or how to protect the mother earth, and that's why by the raw method she can cultivate or she can preserve so many types of seeds. Near about 3,500 people are connected to her movement. And so many people, means near about 3,500 people are cultivated seeds collected by Rahibai Popre continuously, and they are generated the natural crop. Means hybrid crop जो होती है that is totally different, and natural का मतलब है traditional crop जो है उसको वो generate करने day by day. Those two are the basic examples of traditional or indigenous knowledge जो हम पढ़ते हैं. Now the eco-friendly practice. Eco-friendly practice का मतलब क्या है कि how we can connect with the eco products, or how the villagers, how the city people can connect it with the eco friendly product. Basically the villages are very eco friendly. They are using the cow dung, the women are using cow dung for cleaning the floor or for protecting their walls. That is very natural or traditional method. Second one, they are using the bullock carts. Bullock carts run with the energy of bulls, and that's why there is no greenhouse gases emission, there is no pollution, and there is no requirement of fuel. So, and they are protecting, third thing, they are protecting the, or they are conserving the natural seeds, or they are conserving the natural seeds का मतलब है they are conserving the basic seeds जो हम बोलते हैं कि traditional seeds है उनको conservate करना, conservate the natural seeds or traditional seeds. They are conserving the natural flora and fauna. Those are the eco-friendly practices they are doing continuously. So in this lecture we are continuously revising the traditional knowledge. We are also having so much ट्रेडिशनल नॉलेज. आप अपने ग्रैंडफादर ग्रैंडमदर से पूछिए, वो आपको बहुत अच्छे से बताएंगे कोई ट्रेडिशनल नॉलेज क्या होता है. वन एक्टिविटी इज देयर फॉर यू. अब आप घर में हैं तो कलेक्ट द सीड्स, वेराइटी ऑफ सीड्स. यू कैन कलेक्ट द वेजिटेबल सीड्स, यू कैन कलेक्ट द फ्रूट सीड्स, एंड दोज सीड्स यू शुड कलेक्ट इन योर सीड बैंक. आफ्टर जब आपका कॉलेज शुरू हो गया, दैट दोज सीड्स शुड बी सबमिटेड टू द कॉलेज, एंड वी हैव अ सीड बैंक of those seeds.